Hi everyone, today's tutorial we'll be having a look at La Tortue, a grade initial guitar or classical guitar piece, and we're just going to look at some of the important parts that when you practice what you must remember. So first of all, let's have a look at the tempo of La Tortue. It says without hurrying, and it has a marking of 100 crotchet beats per minute, so it's at a moderate pace without hurrying through the notes. Very important as well is the time signature is 4 crotchet beats per bar, 4/4 common time, so we need to count up until 4. And very important, we've got two voices. We've got a voice that we're going to strum with our thumb, while the melody is going to be strummed with the middle and the index finger. And we have this middle index movement, middle index movement throughout the entire piece. So let's get started. So the bottom notes are going to be A. We're going to start with A first, so open fifth, and later on we're going to move down to open 6, which is E. And while this goes, we're going to first play our string open, starting with A, and then we're going to play in middle, index, holding down F still. We're going to do the same thing, just in reverse. Now we're going to play our bottom string, and now we've got an echo. Now we go back to A again. Now we play middle, index, but now look closely, we have E, B, E, F. So E, B, E, F, and we're going to hold down F again, play A, ending on E there, go down to E, and again middle, index, middle, and now we have A. So now we're going to move to the third string right there, third string, A, second fret, third string, and we're going to use our thumb, apoyando, resting stroke, to end off the piece like so. Dynamics are very important here. We start mezzo forte. In the second line we have an echo, and that is played piano, but only bars 7 and 8. From bars 9 onward we have mezzo forte straight through to the end with a rallentando right at the end. Rallentando getting gradually slower.